it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this graphic kind of purple liner look for you guys. I was super inspired with all of the looks I saw this past weekend from Coachella. I saw so many graphic liners, so many colorful liners that I was like, you know what? I think I want to do one for myself, like for my channel. And this is a look that I came up with. I really love the way that it turned out, and I hope you guys like it too. I know it's a little bit different, it's a little bit bolder, but I don't know, I just kind of wanted to have fun today here on my channel. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look and the products that I used, then just go ahead and keep on watching.
Alrighty, so we are doing this old school YouTube and we are going to do a voiceover, and at this part of the video I am just admiring how long my hair is because it's taken a while to get here. But I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with a concealer, and then I'm going to set it with some translucent powder. You guys know the drill, I do this in every video, nothing new there. I'm taking a purple liner. This is from Pixi Beauty, and I am going to create the outline for the graphic liner. Take your time, do it slowly. It doesn't have to be perfect at first. You can go back and erase it with a wipe. You just want to make sure that you get the outline done. Once you have the outline done, you want to go ahead and fill in the outline with the purple pencil or any color that you choose. Again, take your time. If it doesn't come out the first time, just wipe it off and start over. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill that in using the Makeup Geek single shadow in Hopscotch. I love this color. I forgot how much I loved it until I started playing with it again. And oh my god, I am obsessed. It's like the most beautiful pastel purple. It's so gorgeous. Moving on to the skin, I'm going to go ahead and prime using my Arborian Perfect Cream Primer. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to foundation. As always, I am using my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I just did an updated kind of foundation routine, so definitely check that out because I go into a lot more detail on the products that I'm using, the methods that I have been preferring to use when I do my base makeup. So definitely go ahead and check out that video for a lot more details. Now I'm going to conceal and contour. I'm taking the Kylie concealer, and then to contour I am using the KKW contour stick in dark, and I'm just going to blend that out using my Sigma F80 Air Kabuki brush. I believe that's the name, but just want to go ahead and blend that in. And I'm also blending in the nose contour. Again, I go into a lot more detail on all of these steps in that base video that I just uploaded, so definitely go ahead and check that out. I am going to be setting everything into place using my Kylie setting powders. I'm using soft pink for under my eyes, and then I'm using the color beige for all over the skin. But if you don't have these powders, you can use any translucent powder, that will work just fine. But I have just been really enjoying the Kylie powders. Now I'm going to go ahead and bake my face. So I'm baking my under eyes again, going in with the soft pink powder, and I'm applying that under the eyes just to brighten things up. But again, you can use a translucent powder. And then I'm going to bake the bottom half of my face using the powder in the shade beige, because this one kind of matches my skin tone a little bit more, so it doesn't look too white. Once I blend it out, it looks a lot more like skin. So I'm going to let that set for a little bit, and while that is baking, I am going to go ahead and bronze up my skin and contour my nose. I'm taking my Hoola bronzer, and I am going to contour the nose because when you do apply powder, you kind of lose that contour shade a little bit. So I'm just going to kind of re-intensify everything. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the powder from under the eyes. And in this particular day, I had gotten a lot of sun the day, like 2 days before, so my skin is super dry and bumpy and gross looking, so please excuse my skin in this video. I'm also going to go ahead and bronze again, going back in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm going to add a little bit of blush. I'm going in with my Alamad Cosmetics blush in Seduction, I think that's the name. I could be wrong, but it's just that first peachy shade from the medium tan palette. And I'm applying that to the apples of the cheeks and back. Again, I definitely recommend you watch my base video, like my long lasting face, because I go into a lot more detail as to why and how I'm applying my blush recently. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the contour powder that we have, like that baking powder, and move it up towards the skin just to kind of buff everything into place. And I also added the KKW number 2 brightening powder under my eyes just to brighten things up a little bit. So next we're going to go ahead and apply a layer of Fix Plus. Because we did apply a ton of powder and because my skin is so dry due to being sunburned, you definitely want to hydrate your skin as much as possible. I'm applying mascara and then I'm going to go in with lashes. The lashes that I'm using are the Dame Boss Blessed lashes. So moving on to highlight, I'm going to highlight the tip and bridge of the nose, and that is it. Because my skin is so dry, I definitely don't want to emphasize the dryness. I'm going to line my lips, and this Kylie lip liner has been used and abused. I love it so much. This is the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in caramel. I'm obsessed with it, and I'm going to fill in my lips using the Maybelline liquid lipstick in the shade Driver. Such a beautiful nude. It's perfect. I love this color so much. I like to go back in with my lip liner and just kind of re-intensify the edges a little bit to kind of create kind of like a contoured lip. And then for gloss, I'm going in with the Rimmel London Clear Gloss in Seduction. Again, another one of my favorites recently. I'm going to go ahead and add more setting spray, and that is it.
Alrighty guys, so this is it. This is the completed look. This is everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different, but I don't know. Ever since I saw the Coachella looks this past weekend, I was super inspired and I wanted to create this look for you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed and liked it. As always, if you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to share the video. I love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon with a brand new video. Mwah!